In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of campaigns and triggers and move to workflows in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're working inside the correct sub-account. This is important because workflows are created at the sub-account level, so if you're in the wrong location, the automation you build won't be connected to the right business. Once you're in the right place, go to the left-hand menu and click on Automation. This is where you'll manage the newer workflow system that replaces older campaigns and triggers. From there, click Create Workflow. When the setup options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean workflow builder so you can recreate your old automation in a more flexible way. Next, you'll set the trigger, which is what tells the workflow when to begin. Click Add New Trigger, then type in Form Submitted. When it appears in the list, select Form Submitted and save the trigger. This means the workflow will start automatically whenever someone submits the form you want to use. After your trigger is saved, it's time to begin building the actions inside the workflow. Click the plus icon, then choose Add Action. This is where you decide what should happen after the form submission. For example, you can add actions like send email, send SMS, or wait. These are common building blocks for replacing older campaign sequences, and they allow you to create the same kind of automated follow-up in a more organized workflow format. As an example, you can type in send email, select it, configure the email details you want, and then click Save Action. Once that action is added, you can continue building the rest of your workflow the same way, adding additional messages or delays as needed using the available action options. The key idea here is that instead of relying on separate campaigns and triggers, everything now lives together in one workflow, which makes it easier to manage and update later. When your workflow is fully set up, the final step is to publish it. Toggle your new workflow to publish so it becomes active. At that point, you'll also want to pause the legacy automation you were using before, so you don't have the old campaigns and triggers running at the same time as the new workflow. That helps prevent duplicate messages or conflicting automations. And that's it. You've now moved from the old campaigns and triggers setup into a modern workflow inside Gohighlevel. Once you get used to this structure, it becomes much easier to see your automation logic in one place and make changes whenever you need to.